Hey guys, this is your buddy Rome again. Today we're going to take a look at something else that was sent out to me by Startrc. This is a cycling quick install omnidirectional mount. This is going to be used for like your bicycles, motorcycles, scooters, all of that kind of cool jazz. So let me show you guys what comes in the box. All right, so in the box you're going to get quite a few accessories. Let's go ahead and pull everything out. We get a thumb screw. As you guys can see, I've already opened this. You get your starter manual. This is basically going to walk you through how to set everything up, which I'm going to try to cover in this video. Now, what's nice about this, it also has the ball head mount on here where you can easily adjust the angle. As you guys can see, you can adjust that angle pretty much however you need to. That's going to really come in handy, especially in some models of scooters, bicycles, as well as other devices that you might want to attach this to. Now, let's get a little bit closer in here. I'm going to take this apart so you guys can see. So this unscrews just like that. Probably hear that ratcheting sound like so. You're going to wind up with two pieces. So this top section right here also has a rubber pad inside to protect the top of your bar. And then the lower piece also has a rubber pad to do basically the same. And these just screw together. All right, so let me grab something I can use as a demo. So let's just rotate this around here real quick. All right, guys, so you see this pole that I have here. This is obviously for one of my webcams, but it's basically the same type of principle. So if you're gonna apply this, this is just gonna lock on like so. You're gonna line this up, and then you're gonna screw this guy back in. Let's go ahead and ratchet that down real quick. All right. So now you guys can see how this is connected here. Again, we have that ball head mount that we can easily move around and readjust however we need to. And you have your standard GoPro mount on here as well. So all you need is your little thumb screw. And we could take any one of the accessories that we normally use for any of these action cameras. So let's just say this one. All right, just gonna push that screw through. There we go. So now as you see, that's adjusted. And easily enough now, we should be able to mount any one of our action cameras quick and easy onto this. Now that we have this mounted, as you guys can see here, now I can additionally adjust this by just pulling out this little tab, and I can rotate this pretty much wherever I want to, whichever angle I want to, and lock it into place like so. Let's say this is the position I want to go for. Lock that guy down, and that's where it sits. So if you're riding a scooter, motorcycle, bike, whatever the case it is, and you want to easily be able to connect an action camera, a smartphone, or whatever it is that you want to be able to attach to it, and yes, this will work with something like one of these phone mounts, this is a no-brainer, guys. So definitely check this out. All right, guys, again, this is from our friends over at Startrc, and this is our Cycle Quick Install Omnidirectional Mount. All right, guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.